Have you ever tied your hair up and immediately felt that little tug? Or noticed more breakage when you took it out? That's exactly why today's video is all about silk scrunchies. They're one of my favorite small swaps for healthier hair, helping reduce frizz, prevent breakage, and protect your strands without leaving harsh creases. Even better, they're incredibly easy to make and so much fun. Whether you're sewing for the first time, just want a relaxing DIY project, or looking for a special gift for someone. Additionally, if you're following along with my beauty series, you can use the leftover fabric from making the silk pillowcases last time, and these scrunchies also set up a super useful accessory for what's coming next. Let's get started and make something beautiful and practical together. For this silk scrunchie, you need the following materials. A rectangle made out of silk fabric that is 12 centimeters wide and 50 centimeters long. You also need an elastic. Mine is 7 millimeters wide and 20 centimeters long. You also need a thread that matches your fabric and a safety pin. Fold the fabric with the beautiful sides, the right sides, on the inside, and pin the edges together. Leave 3 centimeters open on both sides. Sew this edge, leaving 3 centimeters open at the beginning and at the end. Secure the stitches at the beginning and at the end by sewing 5 stitches forwards, then backwards and forwards again. Sew this seam 1 centimeter deep. When you're done, cut the threads off. Turn it inside out. Place the narrow edges with the right sides on top of each other and pin them in place as far as you can. Sew this seam and secure the stitches at the beginning and at the end. Then cut the threads off. Gradually position the rest of the edges. Use the safety pin to help pull the elastic through the scrunchie. Overlap the elastic for about 2 centimeters, or however you feel it's comfortable. Sew the elastic together using a zigzag stitch. Fold the seam allowances down and close the opening with pins. Sew this part with a small distance from the edges and secure the stitches at the beginning and at the end of the opening. And then you're done! Your luxurious silk scrunchie is finished. In anticipation of next week's video, I recommend that you already make at least 2 of these scrunchies, because next week I'll show you how to make a heatless curler band. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell to not miss the video. Thanks for watching, see you next time!